Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm gonna share with you guys a small haul that I did. I wasn't sure if I was gonna go to the store or not, but we were able to go in a little bit later in the day. So all these deals are for the ad for CVS of March 22nd. And as you see, it was a small haul, but the total came out to $81.27. And with all the credits I'm going to show you, from coupons, from app coupons, from CRTs, which are the coupons that printed last week and also that printed this week, from the Redbox machine, I was able to pay in the register $24.27. But of course, I took advantage of some of those ECBs that were extra bucks for beauty that printed last week, and they did expire yesterday, the 22nd. So I was able to stack and use all those ECBs before they expire. So I ended up paying, my total would have been $24.27, but I ended up paying using some of those ECB. I did earn $32.99 in ECBs from all the transactions that I did, making my haul a final price of free and $8.72 moneymaker. So I'm going to show you exactly what the deals are, which one are the best deals, and how did it work out for me. So let's just get started. This is the deal. This is my shopping list. I was going to purchase other items, but some items I don't think they were in the store. Mitchum did give me a problem, but everything else went, I think, kind of good. So let's just go ahead and get started. I love couponing, and I'm so blessed and thankful that I don't have to rely on going to the store and paying things full price when I have a nice stock piles, at least for toiletries. But because of it, I noticed the community is getting some backlash about it. And that is sad to say, because this is a stockpile that, at least in my case, I've been couponing since 2012. So I don't know in your area if you guys are able to go out. At least for us, we just got a few days ago, I believe, not a lockdown, but just a curfew. So we're being very careful. To me, going out, I was debating if we were going to go or not, because safety and keeping safe and keeping a distance is not only thinking of myself, we're thinking of everybody else, doing everything that's necessary. So we were very careful. I did my list, and we try to do everything in the house. So once we go to the store, we know what to get and do it very quickly. So that's why I was able to get these items. I had other items to do in the list, but I said, you know what, I already reached all the ECBs that I had that were going to expire. So this was everything that I was able to put together. But I really, guys, hope that you are staying safe. So now let's get started with Mitchum. Mitchum was very hard for me. The reason was because, as you see in the video, there's a tag. It says buy one, get one 50% off, and all of them are included. And once you buy two, you get two. The sad thing is that I couldn't even show you the receipt because it did not deduct it half off, and I did not get the ECB. So they had to give us $3 back in their ECB, and also they had to give us back the $2 ECB. So they had to do that, override it and do it manually. But if you are able to do this deal, I'm excited to do the new one. This is the natural powder. This one costs $5.99. And the other one came out to 50% off. I used coupons that deduct $2, but it has to be specific to this deodorant. And I had this CRT that says 2 off Mitchum deodorant. So I go ahead and I paid, after all those coupons were deducted, I ended up paying $2.99. I got back to making it just 50 cents. And I feel like this is such a great deal. I checked my CVS app in case it was $1 off on deodorant, but I didn't have one of those. But 50 cents is such a great deal because I really like this product. The next deal I want to share, this is a huge money maker, and as you see, this one you have to buy 3, but it is a pretty high value ECB. The ECB is going to be $10, but you need to make sure you buy 3 products of Maybelline. So you could just go ahead and pick anything you want from Maybelline, but you need to buy 3. In this case, I purchased 3 of the single eyeshadows that they retail for $4.19, and I picked 3 of those. There is different coupons. When I open my CVS app, there was a coupon there, manufacturer coupon, so I'll go ahead and clip that. So guys, it's a digital coupon that it deducts $2 of anything. So anything you buy from Maybelline, you can go ahead and take advantage of that digital coupon. So I was able to use a CRT that printed last week that it says Maybelline Cosmetics, and I also used a CRT deducting 3 off 12 for cosmetics. So from $4.19, which totals to $12.57, I ended up paying $4.57 after the coupon and the CRT was deducted. Once those CRTs were included and that coupon in the app, I ended up paying $4.57. I got back 10, making this a huge moneymaker of $5.43, which I did mention this in my best deals idea to hold on to that CRT. So now let's move on to Tresemme. I'm showing you both pictures because I purchased both. I purchased the one on the top that retails for $6.59 and the one in the bottom that is $5.79, I believe. So I purchased two from the top that is $6.59, but as you'd see the tag, this week's deal is buy one, get one 50% off. And once you buy three, you will get $5 ECB. I was going to use a coupon that we got on last week's Sunday insert, but there is a digital coupon in the app from CVS deducting 3. So I noticed that that value of that coupon that is digital is much higher. So I go ahead and I clipped that coupon deducting $3 off 2. And then I also selected a coupon from the insert deducting $1.50 off 1, which is the round bottles that are in the bottom. So I go ahead and I use all these coupons and CRT. I had a CRT that printed last week that was printing for everybody. That is deducting 3 when you buy 2 Tresemme. So that is already a given, a easy and free ECB CRT. So if you go ahead and have that and you go ahead and clip that digital coupon, you're already set to go to getting these items almost free. So I go ahead and I use that CRT. I also had a CRT deducting $2.50 off $8, and it does specify Tresemme. So both CRTs, they do say Tresemme. So as you see, one of the products was $6.59, the other one came out to $3.40, and the ones in the bottom, the round, is $5.29. I used a digital coupon and I used the $1.50 coupon deduct in the retail me now $3.15. I used that CRT. I ended up paying $5.08, but I got back 5, making it 8 cents for everything, or just 3 cents each. On this transaction, you'll see 3 different ECBs because I purchased Tresemme, I purchased Schick, and I purchased the gum. The gum is such an easy deal to do as well. And as you see here, I'm going to show you the receipt. I wanted to use that Epic Beauty bonus that I got last week that it was going to expire, that expired yesterday, deducting $8. So I was so grateful for that free ECB. So for the gum, it's very easy. Just buy one for 99 cents. Go ahead and pay that amount. You're going to get back the same amount in ECB, making it free. So as you see, that is also included and it's the top one in the receipt. And the next product that I purchased are Schick. These are including the Schick. These are the razors. So it's buy 2, get 10. This is the razors or the refills. The disposables are totally a different deal that I'm going to share with you guys too. So for the Schick, I was going to buy the female, but I don't know why. Sometimes I go to my store and the ones that are available are too high, too expensive, or they don't have the other products. So I go ahead and I purchase 2 of the Schick Hydro, 5 cents for men. And the good thing is that I had a CRT deducting 3, and it did say Schick Hydro 5. So I go ahead and took advantage of that CRT deducting 3, as you see in the picture. I also had a CRT deducting 5 off 20. So what I did was I purchased 2 of the Hydro, giving me a total of $22.58. Then I go ahead and I use 2 coupons that came on the Smart Source March 15. But the good thing is that this coupon is also available to print. I'm going to check if it's still available. If it is, I'm going to provide it below this video. And it was also included in the app, which makes it digital. And you could just go ahead and clip that. I paired that and stacked that with those 2 CRTs I mentioned. So I ended up paying $6.58, but I got back 10 ECB, as you see in the picture, making it free. And $3, guys, $3.42 moneymaker. The last deal I want to share with you guys, I did last week. This is for $6.99. And these are the disposable one. These are the one I purchased was the Skintimate, and they're $6.99. I purchased 3 because the deal is if you buy 3, you will get back 5 ECB, as you see in the deal shown. So I purchased 3, and then I use these coupons. Since remember, I'm buying 3, and this coupon I believe is a limit of 2. So I used 2 coupons from the insert, 1 from the app. I used the 3 off 12 CRT that I had for that it says you could use buy any shave product, 3 off 12, so it was perfect. So I go ahead, I used that CRT, and I also used that coupon. I used 1 from the app. So from $20.97, I deducted $4, 2 of those from Smart Source 315 and one from the app. You can go ahead and print. I'm going to see if it's still available. And then I used two different CRT. I had a CRT that says 2 of Skintimate disposable razor. I had this CRT deducting 3 of 12, so I ended up paying $3.97. I got back 5, making it free, and $1.03 moneymaker. There's many great deals happening this week, and like I mentioned, I was surprised how everything was free and a nice money maker. So my haul came out to $8 and $8 in money maker. I was able to use some of those CRTs beauty that I earned that printed for me last week. So I was glad that I was able to use them. But remember, for me, safety is key. And if I was debating if I was going to go or not, and I wanted to make sure everything was okay, and now I was able to bring this small haul to you guys. So guys, I hope you're staying safe. So I'm giving you sharing with you guys this haul, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, making the best of it, enjoying it with your family. And thank you for watching and giving me some of your time to watch this video, and until the next video, bye.